this? 1:38. I love. Wait time 65 minutes. Star Wars mga day. Nandito kami sa ibang adventure kasi ang Star Wars ba maghintay pa ng 75 minutes bago sila mag-open. No, I can wait you here, my love. Restroom. Okay. Wow, tingnan niyo. Parang ano, UFO. What is the name of this? Huh? Spaceship? It might be too long, my love. My love. Okay, what is the name of this?
I forgot. Now Falcon.
Falcon. Dito kami papasok. Millennium Falcon. Nandito kami sa baba kasi express lane, lightning lane. Woo! Where, my love? I don't know where. Yay, nagtutuyok man ni oy. Faster. Open position, pilot, gunner, engineer. Hello, pang aircraft di ay ni siya. My love. Nagdagan-dagan si Tom. Are you excited, my love? Na-stock up na naman kami dito kasi dami na naman tao. Mataas na naman ang linya mga day. Nag-headband. Ginamit niya ang headband. Dami na naman tao. Naghihintay na kami dito kasi kami na ang susunod. Ayan. Walang kaubusan ng tao dito. Ayuy. Nag-open na ang spaceship. Hello. Spaceship. Kami na ang susunod. Hello.
There's the middle, engineers in the back. Engineers in the back, perfect. All right, guys, any first timers? Levers, okay? Left and right, just left and right. Up and down to the hard side. When you go. And gunners, in the middle, there's gonna be blue and red buttons. Those are gonna be triggers. Engineers, anything that goes in the back, just press it out, fix the ship, okay? All the way down here. Just pressing buttons. What did you say?
Press the shift.
What?
Press the shift. We are engineer.
Press the ship?
Yeah. Shift. Yeah. Tingnan nyo. Nandito na kami sa spaceship. Hello. Engineer, my love here, my love.
The planet Corellia. You will be intercepting a first-order train shipment to the path.
Ang cute,
Pilots,
mga demo.
line up behind the train. And engineers, you harpoon that precious cargo.
My love, what we're going to do? Yes. I'm scared. I'm scared too. Nakakatakot mga day.
Oh.
Hello, what is this? Hello.
Once we find our seats, go ahead and buckle up. Seatbelts will go
Hello.
on the aisle
I
side.
don't know how to use
There'll be a
this.
lap belt attached to your seats.
Nag-seatbelt kami. Meron pang seatbelt.
Hurry now, time is money.
Hello.
Flight engineer, prepare. Pilot on the left, move your stick to fly right and left. Pilot on the right. Take the jump to
Push the
light.
green, my love. The green button. Hello. Hello, naabot namin sa Mars.
Yes, keep shooting. They've locked onto us. Take evasive action. Let's pilot, bridge.
Oh boy.
Para totoo.
Axia. Come on, let's get another container of Axia. Hold on, team. Things are getting too hot.
Natapos din sa wakas. I feel dizzy, my love. Where is the elevator, my love?
Huh?
Elevator. Sa wakas. Tapos na kami dito sa spaceship. Ngayon ay pupunta na kami sa Matterhorn kasi alas 2 na sa tanghali. May Star Wars dito, oh. Ano? Spaceship ay alien.
Sorry to interrupt, but we'd like to know what you're doing on that data pad. What are you doing with that data pad?
What are you doing, my love?
Did you get it recorded?
Yeah? Ang cute.
Brooklyn, come over here.
Let's go to restroom. Kain tayo. Share lang kami ni Batom. Nag-share lang kami. Kain tayo ng churros. Kakatapos lang namin mag-restroom. Okay. Papunta na kami sa Matterhorn. Ang sarap ng churro. Masarap din churro, no? Para lang siyang ano ba? Donut sa ato ah. Para lang siyang shakoy. Nandito na kami sa lugar kung saan malapit sa Mother Bighorn. Naghintay muna kami ng mga 2 minutes kasi hindi pa pwedeng papasukin. I-update ko kayo mamaya kapag nandoon na kami sa loob ng Matterhorn, right, my love? Yeah, 1 minute na lang ang aming hintayin. Ayan, ito ang Matterhorn. Mountain ito siya na super lucky. Tapos magtutuyok ba all around sa mountain ang ride. Okay, let's go. Pasok na kami. Yay! Is it okay for you, my love? This one? You like this?
What?
Matterhorn?
Yeah.
Okay. Siya ang nagsuggest nito na dito kami pupunta.
Perfect, thank you.
Thank you. Malaki ito nga roller coaster mga baduday. Nakakatakot nga roller coaster. Super mahaba ba? Ang haba nito nga rides. It's very good and we got the express lane VIP 1 ticket, right? So that it will be easy for us. It's faster.
Yeah, it seems a little bit
Yeah.
but you have to wait a little bit to get. You have to go at a certain time.
Yeah, but it's a good decision that we did. That you did.
Okay.
Are you excited?
Yeah.
Happy birthday! It's your birthday celebration. Birthday celebration pala ito ni Batum kasi birthday niya. Right, my love?
Right.
Birthday celebration yan.
Okay, go.
Hello! Hello, malapit na kami. Thank you. Ganyan kami mamaya.
Coming down the end,
Yeah.
they jump out and get killed
Yay!
on the ride.
Really? Hello! Malapit na kami. We are next, my love.
Okay.
Remove your hat. Yeah, we should get on. Kinakabahan ako. 2. 4 and 5. Okay, thank you. 4 and 5, my love. Here, my love. Here. Yeah, you 5. Hello. Yeah, I close it. I-make sure natin na i-close natin na ito. Hello. Sasakay na kami. So 4 and 5. Si Tom ay nag-transfer sa number 4 kasi para meron siyang legroom ba. Nakabakol na ako. Para akong mga nganak nito. Yeah, I know. I-remove ko ang aking hat. Thank you. Hello! Hello! Hold my love. Parang gilabig-labyog. Nakaka-nervous. Are you okay, my love? So worth it, mga day. Tapos na. Para tayong gibugno nito, mga day. That's right.
Tomorrowland.
Yeah.
Great.
Ay, nalilito ako, mga day. Woo! Where? Woo! Ang ganda ng Matterhorn.
Piper Mountain. I used to go on Space Mountain over there.
Yeah.
There's the submarines.
Where? Here?
That's the submarine right there. See it?
Yeah. Hello, may submarine pa, oh. Tingnan nyo, submarine.
This one, they don't go
Wow.
under the water. They just circle around like that.
Ah.
Under the water.
Ang ganda ng Matterhorn. Super nice. You like it, the Matterhorn?
Yeah, that's pretty good.
Bumili kami ng portable charger.
Here, I'm gonna send it to your email.
Okay.
So this is the charger. So
Okay.
just put your email in there.
Nandito na naman kami sa Star Wars Tour. Ay, Star Tours. Ayan. Sa Lightning Lane pa rin kami. Express Lane ba? Lightning Lane. Papasok na kami. Ang dami na namang tao. Mabuti na lang na kami ba? Express Lane, Lightning Lane. Kasi mas madali. Shortcut ba? Ayan. Ang bilis ng aming linya.
Attention please. Galactic Security.
Ang iba hindi pa nakaabanti. Itong linya namin ang bilis. Mabuti talaga na Nagbayad si Tom ng lightning lane. Binigyan kami ng ganito, 3D nga glass para maganda siya tingnan sa loob. Hindi kami masisilaw. Ganyan ay. Where's yours?
Not yet, you have to wait.
Thank you. Here, my love. Hello, I'm so excited. Naglinya na kami. Papasok na dito. Star Wars, Star Tours. Nakakalito talaga ay. Nakakalula. Labad akong ulo mga baduday. Kaya naglagpot-lagpot ang aming spaceship sa kalangitan. Sa universe. Right, my love? I feel dizzy, my love. I-try nyo mag-experience dito sa Disneyland. Nakakalabad sa ulo. Are you happy?
Yeah, I'm
Do you
happy.
like the Star Tours?
Yeah.
Ay! Pabili kami ng churro kasi nagugutom na naman ako.
Unfortunately, we are closed right now, but the closest churro stand will be right in front of the castle.
Kanina pala ay hindi ako nakapag-video sa loob kasi bawal mag-video sa loob ng Star Tours. Ngayon is naghahanap kami ng churro kasi naubos na ang churro doon sa ibang outlet, ibang store.
It's right across
Wait, I go
from
here.
the Star Tours. Buzz Lightyear thing. Where's
Okay.
that?
Nandito na naman kami sa ibang rides. Blaster, Astro Blasters, Buzz Lighters. Nandito na naman kami sa ganito. What's this? Like that? My love. Why?
You're on the run. Blast him with everything you've got.
Tapos na! Bumili na naman kami dito ng Nestle Toll House. Ayan, kasi nagugutom na naman ako. Mag-share lang kami ni Batom nito.
They good?
Yeah. Hindi kami nakabili ng churros kasi naubusan na dito. Malayo dito ba ang merong available nga churros? Ito na lang. Here, my love. Hello, naghihintay na naman kami dito sa submarine voyage kasi yan na naman ang aming sasakyan. Bumibili pala kami nito. How much is this, my love? How much did you pay this? 45? This one?
I don't remember. 35.
35. Bumili kami ng battery kasi nalulubat na ang phone ko ba. Meron ako ditong power bank pero ang problema namin, naiwan namin ang cord sa phone ko doon sa aming sasakyan. Hindi na namin kayang bumalik sa parking lot kasi ang layo. Bumili na lang kami dito ng battery. Dala na siya cord. Ganito. Yan. Mabuti ay merong nagtitinda dito ng battery at charger nga cord. Sa dagat na naman ay sa dagat. Sa ilalim na naman ng tubig mag-rides. Submarine talaga siya kasi sa ilalim siya ba ang view. Are you enjoying?
Yeah.
Happy birthday!
Birthday.
Happy birthday, my love! Birthday ni my love. We're going now! Let's go! Yan! Wow! Walo! Tingnan niyo mga day. Wow! Bababa kami dyan. Careful, my love. Wow! Walo! Ganito pala ang submarine.
Opposite hand, filling all of it.
Yeah, so cute. Tingnan nyo. Nice starfish, oh. Oyster, my love. This one. That's oyster.